Can I come in your kitchen, baby, and cook all night long with you?
Cook all night long indeed. But first, we need to make some cashew cream. Hi everyone, I'm Christina and welcome to Here on the Main. We are making cashew cream all in real time so that you can see how this is done. Now we have a live stream coming up later for butternut squash pasta, and I actually think this one tastes a little bit better with the cashew cream than regular cream. So we're going to make that right now. I've got a cup of cashews and these are already soaked. I soaked them in some hot water for about an hour, as much time as you can get. This is gonna work out fine. You might just need more time in the blender if you don't have all that time to soak your cashews. You can see they have swollen up to a bit more than a cup. That's fine. As long as you start with a cup of dry, this will turn out just perfectly. Now I also have a cup of water and a blender. I've done this in a small food processor. I've done this in a Magic Bullet. It works wonderfully. I've also done it with roasted cashews, which I might say might have been my favorite way to do this. Give that a try. I'm gonna start by adding my cup of cashews right to the blender. It all goes in. And my blender has this nice little lid I can take off, and I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna stream the water in the top. If you need to add everything to the blender all at once, you go for it. So I'm going to also add just 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm using a pink Himalayan. Use whatever you have. If you're using table, I would use a little bit less. But we'll taste this for saltiness when it's done. So I've got the cashews in this blender and I'm gonna turn it on to high and let them just start to process. Now that I've got these in fine pieces, I'm gonna turn the blender back on and add my water in a slow, steady stream. Now that my water is all in the blender, I'm gonna blend these cashews for 2 minutes or until it's completely smooth. I'm gonna give this a try and see where we are at. I also wanna taste it for salt. So, oh my gosh, this is sinfully smooth. Oh my gosh. This actually tastes like the creamiest, smoothest, silkiest cream you've ever had. I can't even believe this is nuts and not real dairy cream. I am gonna add another 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt because I do like that kick, and I'm just gonna give it one more blend. That's it. This cashew cream is done, and let me show you the absolutely silky texture that we have achieved right here. Look at that. Guys, if you need to replace cream in any recipe, heavy cream, you take a 1/4 cup of your cashew cream and water it down with about 3/4 of a cup of water. You have to remember this cream is going to thicken as it cooks. So if you find when you're cooking, you're getting too much thickness on your sauce, just thin it out with a little extra water. This is going to be the perfect consistency for my butternut squash pasta that we are going to make tonight. See you there, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Can I come in your kitchen, baby, and cook all night long with you?